Hi guys, Elena is here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hope you stick around and subscribe. And today I just wanted to show you how to create this super cool, super summery, voluminous waves in like literally under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy this little fun tutorial. I hope you learned something new. I will show you exactly the products that I'm using to create this look and the tools that I'm using, so stay tuned for that. Hope you like this video, and like I said, subscribe. So with no further ado, let's just get to the tutorial.
It was you have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew? It was you have always been the one, that's the truth. You have been here all along. I never saw the signs, it didn't treat me right, but I just couldn't let him go. You waited patiently, you waited for me, you showed me what it was to love. You have been here since day one, seen my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew? It was you have always been the one, that's the truth. You have been here all You have been here all along. You have been here since day one. I never left my side once. You have been here all along. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along. You have always been the one, yeah, who knew? It was you have always been the one, that's the truth. I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, seen my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew? It was you have always been the one, that's the truth. my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs.
So here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The tool that I was using this whole time was the NuMe Octa one, and this is their biggest attachment. So it comes with 8 different attachments. This is the biggest barrel that they have, and it is perfect for creating these loose waves that will actually last you for days. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do like the video, hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions to me regarding the tools that I was using or the products that I was using, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I always leave my email in the description box below, so check that out. And this is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.